It's stuck on your head.
There you go. Oh! Oh my gosh, could you be any cuter?
Yeah, I know. I love fall too. I'm trying to get so you just see his head. So he's too fast.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's Jamie?
Where's Jamie go? See all nice dark browns and yellows and then just a pale head sticking out.
There he is. Yay!
Thanks, we don't have enough leaves in our yard to make a big pile.
Oh.
I guess we need a yard to have that.
Yeah, not a little strip. You get some in your mouth.
Got something on the finger. Yeah, stuck right between your fingers.
Jamie.
Yeah.
Yeah.